Hi guys, Dr. Sukanya this side, skincare expert, theta healer and a light worker, and I'm here today to give you a demo on how we can do a skin needling treatment at home. Yes, skin needling or derma roller. It is a basic treatment with multiple needles which we prick on the skin, which generates a new collagen. It improves the elasticity and gives a proper skin rejuvenation. Okay, so skin needling treatment is even for fine lines and wrinkles. If you want to get rid of acne scars, deep scars, and to get rid of stretch marks, you can opt this treatment and you can do it at home. Skin needling treatment, derma roller is even known to be as a very famous as a vampire facelift treatment. Why? Because it really gives a proper facelift. So here we have a skin needling, the derma roller. So derma roller, as I have already explained you why we use it and in which cases, and in the market you can get from 300 to 1200 needles. From 300 to 600 I would suggest you can do at home. For the larger areas, for the stretch marks or the tummy area or the big areas, you can go for 1200 needles. Okay, and apart from that, it varies, the needle size varies. Okay, as I am doing with 0.50 mm, and I have mentioned my name and date because it should be personally used by only you. Okay, why? Because when you do the pricking, the slight pricking, it's painful, plus there will be a dotted blood, but that is good to generate a new collagen and it tightens up your skin. Okay, so apart from this, 0.50 mm to 2 mm you can use in fine lines and wrinkles, for acne scars, for proper skin rejuvenation, and further from 3 mm to 4 mm you can go for the deep acne scars and the deep stretch marks. Okay, and for hair loss even we use derma roller skin needling treatment. In that, what you have to do, apply a lotion, a a hair serum, and roll it, okay, on the scalp from 30 to for 30 minutes, and the size should be 3 to 4 mm. Okay, and now I will show you how we have to do it. Here the bottle, it is properly sealed when you will buy it, and then we have to press these knobs and automatically it's opened. Okay, now safety guidelines: always sanitize it before and after use of it. Second, always apply a numbing cream 30 to 40 minutes before you start the procedure. Keep it away from kids, keep it away from other people, keep it at safe place. Never ever use a retinol based cream, lotion, serums before and after you doing a derma roller. Okay, apart from that, always do it on weekends. I would love to suggest on Saturday or Friday night, so that on the next day there should be no sun exposure. Okay, so these are the normal guidelines which you have to follow before starting or doing our derma roller at home. Okay, so how we have to do? Rub it in this way, horizontally and vertically, and gently do it. Don't press it or harshly you have to do it. Okay, and apply a numbing cream if your pain threshold is less, in this way, or you can do it without numbing cream too. 10 minutes both side and 5 minutes on a T-zone. Okay, so properly you can do it on weekends. I hope you like my video, and if you have any inquiry, do inbox me. Thank you so much.